This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Nicole Robinette. Adorable 1943 renovation-ready ranch home in the heart of Oak Ridge now available. Original hardwood floors in living areas and both bedrooms. A large picture window in the addition off living room offers a view of the beautiful backyard with mature magnolia tree. Amazing amount of storage space in the home along with a carport closet and numerous built-in areas in the basement. One vehicle carport with room for additional parking in the driveway. The interior walls have been recently primed and are ready for the new owner to paint as desired. New HVAC system and water heater were installed within the last 2 to 3 years, all galvanized plumbing has been replaced with copper, electric panel was updated to breakers, and seller added a K-guard gutter system with oversized downspouts when he purchased the property. Refrigerator and kitchen conveys, along with a washer/dryer in basement. The dishwasher in kitchen is non-working. This sweet home is conveniently located near shopping and dining. Melton Lake Park is only 9 minutes away. Home to be sold as is and seller will make no repairs. Buyer to verify all information including square footage. For more information, review the details below or contact Nicole Robinette at 865-584-4000.